Yeah, I come here a lot. They have good music, so it's not just the food. This is Jackie Hill, When I Wake, July 17th, 1938. How about this? On drums.
Are you trying to impress me?
No, sorry, I don't mean... They have like 10 songs they look for. They're always playing the same thing.
And you know the dates to all 10?
Yeah.
You know, every time I saw you in the theatre, you had your eyes glued to the floor.
Really?
Yeah, like you were fascinated by the soda stains on the carpet.
My dad tells me I have a problem making eye contact.
My parents like to make fun of me too. And my mum used to say how much of a big chin I had and that boys would never like me. I had been cursed with my dad's big chin.
What?
Yeah, see, look, it's Jay Leno. And whenever I'd say I didn't have a boyfriend yet, she'd blame it on the chin.
She sounds insane.
She wanted to be an actress when she was my age.
And you, what do you do?
Other than serving you popcorn?
What do you want to do with your life?
Well, I go to Fordham. I'm not sure what
What's your major?
I don't have one yet.
Well, what did you come here to study?
General education.
Right, but you picked Fordham for a reason. Why Fordham?
I submitted to a lot of schools and Fordham let me in. Why did you pick Schaefer?
It's the best music school in the country.
Yeah, well, Fordham was Fordham. I don't really like it there, to be honest.
No?
The people there don't like me, and I come from Arizona, and I think they see it in me.
I don't like people at Schaefer either. But I think it just takes time. Things change, you know?
I know. It's just... I feel homesick sometimes. And I hate how no one seems homesick, ever, you know? Or maybe I'm the only one, but I don't think so.
I know exactly how you feel. I saw that in movies with my dad.
I like this song.
Yeah, this part is great.